Did you know that 30% of people trying to gain weight struggle to see results due to poor nutritional choices? If you're one of them, you're not alone. Today, we'll uncover the science behind healthy drinks that can significantly boost your weight gain journey, all while tasting delicious. So, stay tuned, because your path to effective weight gain starts here. Hi everyone. I'm Farhad, a certified nutritionist and fitness coach with over 5 years of experience in helping individuals reach their health goals. I've personally battled the challenges of gaining weight, so I truly understand the journey. Throughout this video, I'll share proven strategies and mouth-watering recipes that have worked wonders for my clients and me. In this video, we'll explore various nutrient-packed drinks specifically designed to help you gain weight. From high-calorie smoothies to protein shakes, you'll learn about the ingredients that contribute to healthy weight gain and practical tips for incorporating these drinks into your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive toolkit to help you achieve your weight gain goals without compromising on taste or nutrition. Let's start by understanding the common challenges faced by those trying to gain weight. Many people often underestimate their caloric needs, thinking they can eat just a little more. However, inadequate nutrition, especially in terms of calories and protein, can hinder muscle gain and overall health. Factors such as busy lifestyles, poor meal planning, and limited access to healthy food can make this even more difficult. Struggling to gain weight can lead to frustration and a negative impact on your self-esteem. You may find yourself feeling fatigued, lacking energy during workouts, and unable to build muscle effectively. Imagine putting in hours at the gym but not seeing the desired changes in your body. That's a frustrating place to be, but it doesn't have to be this way. Let me share the inspiring story of one of my clients, Alex. He was an avid weightlifter but struggled with weight gain. He was consuming enough calories but lacked the right nutrient balance. By introducing calorie-dense smoothies into his diet, he was able to add 10 pounds of muscle in just a few months. Alex's journey shows that with the right approach, you can overcome your weight gain struggles. Now, let's dive into the solution. Our approach centers around creating delicious, nutrient-rich drinks that are high in calories and protein. We'll focus on smoothies and shakes that you can enjoy any time of the day. The key components include whole foods, healthy fats, and protein sources. Creamy peanut butter banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 cup whole milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. This smoothie is packed with healthy fats and protein. Chocolate avocado protein shake. Instructions: blend until creamy. Avocado adds healthy fats, making this shake incredibly filling. Berry blast smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, and a half cup oats. Instructions: blend until smooth. This drink is loaded with antioxidants and provides a good balance of protein and carbs. Nutty oatmeal shake. Ingredients: a half cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 banana, and 1 cup whole milk. Instructions: blend until well mixed. This shake is perfect for breakfast or a post-workout meal. Understanding the science behind these ingredients is crucial. Each recipe provides a balance of macronutrients essential for weight gain, proteins to help repair and build muscle, healthy fats for energy, and carbohydrates to fuel your workouts. Research shows that consuming protein-rich drinks post-workout can significantly enhance muscle recovery and growth. According to Dr. Emily Jones, a registered dietitian, combining high-quality protein with calorie-dense foods can create a powerful strategy for those looking to gain weight effectively. This insight reinforces the importance of a well-rounded diet to support your fitness goals. Nutritional value charts display charts showing the caloric and nutrient content of each drink. Ingredient benefits infographics. Use infographics to highlight the health benefits of key ingredients like peanut butter, avocado, and berries. Smoothie preparation demo. Show yourself preparing each drink in a kitchen setting, emphasizing proper blending techniques and the appearance of the final product. Quick tips on ingredients. Use on-screen text to suggest variations, such as adding spinach for extra nutrients or using dairy-free options for lactose intolerance. Throughout the video, I'll be adding notes and pop-ups to keep you engaged and provide additional tips. Make sure to look out for those. Let's talk about some common pitfalls when it comes to gaining weight. One major issue is relying on sugary drinks or processed foods that provide empty calories but lack nutrients. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense options. Staying motivated is key. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and remember that gaining weight takes time. Celebrate every small victory, whether it's lifting heavier weights or seeing a slight increase on the scale. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these drinks? What's your favorite recipe for gaining weight? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your input can inspire others on the same journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and share it with anyone you know who might benefit. Don't forget to check out the links to my playlists for more tips on nutrition and fitness.